All right, this is the AMP platform. This will be your main hub for all the information regarding your marketing campaigns. This main page is the opening page or the dashboard, which retains all of the information regarding your account. In the opportunity section, this is the number of generated leads that you currently have for your campaign. Open is the amount of people that are still active. Lost means they are no longer interested and have dropped out of the campaign. And closed means you have them as a recurring customer. The pipeline value is the estimated value for your account based on the leads that you currently have. Your conversion rate is how many people have signed up. Scrolling down the page, you have further information on this with a different funnel graph, along with other information that can be linked to your account from either your Google accounts and any Google ads that you're running or Facebook as well. Reviews will also be seen here in your average rating. To couple with this, if you go to the left side of the screen and click opportunities, this is another screen where you can see all your lead information that has been generated. In different columns, we have leads, prospects, appointments, and in this case, consultations. The algorithm for this platform will move your leads to prospects to appointments as they move throughout your campaign, or you can click and drag and drop manually, both ways. If you are doing this manually and you want to drag and drop, you can drag it to the bottom and put lost, meaning they are no longer in your campaign, or won, meaning they have signed up for something. At the top of the screen, you will see numbers. These are the numbers that are possible generations from your leads given depending on what they are looking for.